Happy morning, students. In last two sessions, we have discussed about introduction of ICT in chapter 1. Let's go for quick review of chapter 1. We have discussed about what is ICT, evolution of ICT, why ICT, and application of ICT. Right, children? In today's session, we are going to discuss about word processor. Let's move to the topic. Like first lesson, this lesson also goes like conversation between the persons. Here, Tanya and Rishi is there. They went to book fair. They spent a great time there and they want to share experience with others. Let's see how they are sharing the experience. The next one, thinking time. Think yourself, you are going to book fair and spending time there. Children, so what information you would like to share with others? Think yourself. Yes. You'll be sharing how many stalls is there and what category of books are there and who are the publishers is available. All those things you'll be sharing, right? Okay. I also like comic books. Whenever I go to the bookshop, I'll buy the comic books. I used to read the comic books. Like this, like that. You also like some mystery book, adventures book, right? The next one, Tanya's report. She prepared the report like how they spend time in book fair and what books are they seen and what authors are available there. So all those things she prepared the report and she said to Rishi about how she prepared the report. Rishi asked Tanya how she prepared the report effectively. Tanya said about the digital tools which is used to create effective and digital documents. So this is used for organized, systematic, effective and presentable manner for the report. The next thing, she prepared the report using the word processor. This is the word processor. The next one, Rishi want to learn the word processor. So what he is doing is asking help to Tanya. First, Tanya's explaining about keyboard for entering the text. So this is a picture of the keyboard. Here number keys will be there. Here functions keys will be there. Here alphabet key. This is enter and this is the some other. Here some special keys will be there. Right. The next one, we are going to see about the keys. Enter key. If you press once, it will move to the next line. That is the use of the enter key, right? It will move to the next line. Tab key, press once to move 5 spaces towards the right. If you press once, it will move to the 5 spaces towards the right. Insert key, press once more to replace the old text with the currently typed text. Delete key, it is used to delete the characters, right? The next one, backspace key, it deletes the character to the left of the insertion point. Caps key, it is used to type in the alphabets in uppercase, right? Shift key, if you press along with the alphabet shift key, you can type the uppercase of the alphabet. Next one, we are going to see about word processor. Children, do you know how to open the text editor? Yes, we have to double click the word icon on the desktop so it will open a blank document. In the blank document there will be an office button. If you select that, you can see the new is after selecting that it will open the blank document. So you can see a title bar there. So in title bar, name of the document will be there and name of the applications will be there. So this is the picture of the Word document. You have to click the new. After clicking, a blank document will open. This is the title bar. Here it will contain the name of the document. The next one. Next, what Tanya is doing in the sense, she is teaching about settings of the document to set the page size, orientation, margin and background color. Children, do you know why we have to set the margin, page size? Yes, if you set the margin and size of the document, it will give a consistent look. It will be good to see, right? Now let us see the orientation type. If you want a vertical elongated, so you have to select the 40th orientation. If you want horizontal, you have to select the landscape orientation. This is the orientation types. Two types is there, vertical and 40th. Now what happened? Rishi selected the page size, margin, everything, and she set the background color also, and he was very happy to see the outcome of the page. This is the formatting page, so you can choose the page size and the orientation. You can select the margin setting like A4 size. Any other size you can set, and here the color, tab color and background color you can choose it. So this is the report Rishi's prepared. Children, I hope you understood the concept of word processor. Let's see in the next class.